for them.
Yes,
But,
I have heard that.
they could have overcome the situation if they knew how to prevent the leaf disease like spraying copper, fungicide or something like that. But they couldn't do it because that time the technology was not there. Right? Therefore, what they did was they just gave away the coffee plantation and they came into tea.
Tea, okay.
Right? Tea is another good beverage. When God gave us this beverage, He added little caffeine into tea. Right? That's why you drink tea. That's why your mother had been drinking tea. That's why your grandfathers had been drinking tea. Right?
Yeah.
Because of caffeine.
Yeah.
But a lot of people are not aware why you are drinking. Why God is forcing you to drink tea.
Yeah.
Right? Okay. That's where the orthodox manufacture comes into scene. Right? It's of cells inside the tea leaf.
Okay.
Which you can't see to your naked eye. Right? The chemical composition, what is responsible for a high cup of tea, is located inside the pockets. Right? So that is called cells. Each cell has its own cell wall. If you can remember your
Yeah, this is science I can remember.
Right.
Yeah.
So now tea has polyphenol.
Hi.
Polyphenol oxidase, amino acid, carbohydrate, caffeine. Most important point is the polyphenol.
Okay.
Right? Nobody knows about this thing, right?
Okay.
A lot of people are not bothered to find what it is. But if you offer a glass of beer or a whiskey, they will analyze that. What is this? What is the strength and all?
Okay.
But nobody is bothered enough to analyze what is inside the tea, right? Polyphenol, you need large scale of polyphenol, large amount of polyphenol in your body to keep your LDL cholesterol and LDL cholesterol balance. Right? The polyphenol helps you to burn your bad cholesterol, that is called LDL, below 20. Right? So that's why you must drink tea. When I say tea, I can't just say all the teas, right?
Yeah.
But you must select the correct type of tea, correct place, correct elevation, all those things are countable, right? Now when you are talking about the black tea generally we make about 28 grades like this.
Okay.
But this is being done by the British.
Okay.
So actually we can't go away from this system, but now just because they came out with a black tea, that does not mean you have to go on the same railway track.
Okay.
So you can deviate, you must deviate, right?
Yeah.
Black tea has a lot of antioxidant, but if you can go for green and white, that's the best.
Green
right?
and white.
That's the best. Right? Because green and white has a lot of polyphenol. Black tea also has polyphenol, antioxidant, and everything is there. But comparatively is low here.
Okay.
But since the South Asian and generally the entire human beings love to satisfy the mouth, right? First reference is the mouth.
Mouth, yeah, true,
Right?
true.
They go for black tea.
Yeah.
But now only the people are coming into they are doing the field of studies, and now they have realized by drinking only black tea don't help them. So that's why you must go for white tea.
Yeah.
Right? If you want to satisfy the mouth, go for a cup of black tea, and if you are concerned about your health, go for a white tea or green tea. So that's why the people are always telling, drink green tea to slim down your body.
Yeah.
The meaning of slimming down your body?
Maybe burning cholesterol or fat.
Not maybe. This means you are burning the fat layer in your body.
Fat. Oh, okay.
Fat layer, right? So if you can drink tea, that's the best. Now orthodox tea manufacture means now India, Malawi, South Africa, most of the countries, including China, they go for CTC manufacture. CTC means curl. But LTP is another lava tea processor, that's also cutting edge. But this is orthodox, means you do the curling of the leaf. When you do the curling, it's automatically happen. When you put it to tea roller like this, you can see these are hardwood tables, very hardwood. Up there's a pressure cap, and you can find a conical type of dough inside.
Okay.
When this roller runs like this, vertical and horizontal pressure build up inside the jacket. And the leaf get curl and breaking. When the leaf get curl and breaking, the entire cell walls breaks. And all the chemicals gets mixed up thoroughly. So that type of cup of tea is the best, but very expensive.
Oh, okay.
Now CTCT operational cost is very low.
Uh-huh.
One machine is a shortcut. Turning green into black is a shortcut. It takes only 3 hour job. But here minimum 30 hour job to turn green into black. So China is the highest producer of the tea in the world, 350 million. India comes second, 250, they got 100 million. But our income is 10 times more than their countries. Why?
Because
the
our
secret,
teas.
Orthodox tea. Ceylon Orthodox tea, right?
Oh, okay.
Whatever we produce, we sell here, and we don't want to give
The
consumer
bad
a
feedback.
bad thing,
Yeah,
right?
true.
Therefore, we are very concerned about the quality, and we do very little problem. We are not going for the quantity, we go for the quality. Flavor tea came into scene.
Okay.
If you are drinking pure cup of tea, you don't have to add any flavors.
Yeah, true.
So to camouflage that situation, they are adding flavors. So consumers are there to buy those. That's why they are producing. So who's fault?
Yeah,
Consumers' fault.
So even the cinnamon, those.
No, cinnamon. Now the way what I am doing here, we do natural granule particles.
Okay.
We don't do liquids.
Oh, okay.
What we do is, whatever we can do, we are doing. We are not now. If any guy come and ask Earl Grey, we say no. Bergamot oil, we can't get.
Oh.
So what we have cinnamon tea, ginger tea, mint tea.
Sri Lankan spices.
Yeah, Sri Lankan style. Strawberry we have, apple we have. All those things, mango, banana, those are natural.
Yeah.
But when they ask the blueberry, blackberry,
Sri Lanka we don't have, yes.
we don't have that. So actually the guy who comes to